Not cheeky, but cheeky. Means 4 seasons. This clubhouse is for all the season. It covers every aspect of your life in an year. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप इसको किसी मौसम में यूज कर पाएंगे, किसी में नहीं कर पाएंगे. We have tried to capture everything that our customer needs, which will give them a very healthy lifestyle as well. So I'll start with the elements of the clubhouse. It is triple tiered clubhouse, a special yoga place wherein, as I said, mindfulness is in the core of Japan. We have dedicated places for that. Then we have indoor onsen pool. This is one of the biggest USPs of the project. It is all-weather pool, which is inside. It has a natural theme. If you look at the renders, which we'll be sharing really soon, it is made from stones. It has a lot of dark finishes, as if you're swimming inside, amidst the nature. And the idea is your body is rejuvenated throughout the year. The temperature is such which heals you, and that is what onsen pool stands for. Then you have another rooftop pool as well. A lot of people would want to have exuberance coming to them. So yes, rooftop pool is there. A pedal court, the game that has taken internet by the storm, if not health by the storm. Pedal court is need of the hour. We have the pedal court, we have gymnasium, we have spa. We have sculpture staircases. We are taking care of inside design of the project as well. The staircases, this is the actual render, how the staircase will look like inside the clubhouse. We have squash court, then we have the badminton court as well. So there are a lot of other amenities also, but I have tried to cover which usual question comes to us, कि इसके अंदर है क्या क्या. So these are all the elements that are there inside the club. Now I will talk about the most important side of things, that is the space, the bliss of space, that you need to know कि इसके अंदर what are the luxury things that you can talk about and resonate it with. The one and the most important thing is the minimum size, the length of actually the balcony is 50 feet. अगर आप जब यहाँ से अंदर आ रहे थे, if you look at on that side there is a corner, I'll just talk about that. उस पे 50 feet का length बना हुआ है. Another reference for you is, अगर आप ये साइड में अपने सौरा के फ्लैग्स देख पा रहे हैं, ये टोटल लेंथ 50 फीट है. घर के अंदर जो मिनिमम साइज, द लेंथ ऑफ बालकनी इज 50 फीट. यू कैन थिंक ऑफ कि जब मैं सन की बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं सारे मौसम की बात कर रहा हूँ, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ फ्रीनेस दैट यू विल गेट इन योर हाउस. आप इतनी बड़ी बालकनी से उसको एंजॉय कर पाएंगे. एंड दैट ऑल्सो, वो बालकनी किसी को ओवरलुक नहीं कर रही होगी. इट विल हैव एन एक्सपांस फ्री व्यू. Obviously, as I said, luxury is very private, so you have private lobbies, and every apartment has 2 lifts, private elevators taking them to their own unit. There are in totality 5 lifts. There are luxury floor finishes. Once we talk about the height, obviously it becomes really important. हम इस रूम में बैठे हैं, हमें खुला खुला क्यों लग रहा है. इतने सारे लोग अगर इसकी हाइट में कम कर दो, यू विल फील cluttered and claustrophobic. The only idea is, once you increase the ceiling height, you get that airy feeling inside a house, and that is what we have. 3.4 meters floor to floor height, a large living space. जापान के घर में और हमारे घर में बस यही डिफरेंस है कि वो लोग लिविंग स्पेसेस को इतना बड़ा नहीं बनाते और हम लोग बहुत बड़ा बनाते हैं. सो वी हैव टेकन दैट इन माइंड एंड वी हैव क्यूरेटेड 380 to 600 स्क्वायर फीट के लार्ज लिविंग स्पेसेस इनसाइड द अपार्टमेंट्स. ऑब्वियसली सम टॉप एंड टॉयलेटरी फिटिंग्स, Villeroy and Boch is there. And yes, the windows are by Suco. It's a German brand. This brand is known to integrate and create its own windows. ऐसा नहीं है कि विंडो किसी और ब्रांड से है एंड जो आपका फ्रेम है एल्युमिनियम का, यूपीवीसी को कोई और बना रहा है, उसकी फिटिंग कोई और कर रहा है. Suco does all that, and it is one stop shop for an integrated window. And trust me on this, there is